Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to complete the new tasks in your Kelp Wallet. First of all you have to do is download the Kelp Wallet from your App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, you have to open the Kelp Wallet application. Once the app is opened, you will see this page in front of you. All you have to do is just scroll down a bit until you see Tasks section. From here, you will see a bunch of tasks, for example, like joining the Telegram group, subscribe to our email list, follow us on Twitter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and CEO message or other thing. Okay. So what I will do, I will select any of the tasks. For example, I will select the task of, and each task has his own Kelp Wallet. You can say the coins or whatever. I will get 100 points by subscribing to their email list. I will click on it, and I will type in my email on this section. Now I have subscribed successfully, and that's how I have completed the first task, and I can also do other tasks, and that's how you can complete new tasks in your Kelp Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.